Array. An array is a collection of items stored at contiguous memory locations. The idea is to store multiple items of the same type together. As you can see in the diagram, the array is shown with elements like 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, and 55. Each element is placed next to each other in memory blocks, such as 200, 206, 207, 208, 209, and 211. Every element in an array has an index number. The index starts from 0 and goes upward, so the first element is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. This indexing allows us to directly access any element quickly. To understand better, think about cars parked in a single straight line. Each car has a fixed position in that row, just like array elements in memory. This is why arrays are considered one of the simplest and most efficient ways to store data in programming.